Last month, Samsung introduced the Galaxy S24 series, but since then, there have been numerous complaints from S24 users regarding problems with display and photo quality. Responding to these concerns, the South Korean brand has now confirmed that an update is on the way to address these issues. The update will be available for all models, the S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra, and is scheduled to be rolled out later this month. Samsung emphasizes its dedication to listening to its users, and the forthcoming update reflects their feedback. The company's goal is to deliver an improved experience and options concerning the device's display and camera. This enhancement will be achieved through integrated hardware and software efforts. Samsung has announced that it will be adjusting the default screen setting to offer a more natural viewing experience. Additionally, the upcoming update will introduce a vividness option in the advanced settings of the display. Presently, the current software version does not include a specific slider for this feature. However, the forthcoming update will introduce a slider with 3-step options. This will allow users who prefer a more vibrant visual experience to adjust the vividness slider according to their preferences on the Galaxy S24 devices. In addition to addressing the display issues, Samsung is also tackling camera-related concerns raised by users. While not providing specific details, the company is improving and optimizing essential camera functions. These enhancements encompass upgrades to zoom capabilities, portrait mode, night photography, rear camera video shooting capabilities, and other features. Now, when this update will be released, as we can see, according to Samsung, updates will begin rolling out in February. No any specific date mentioned here. I think we are going to see this update in the last week of February. Recently, Ice Universe also said the new firmware of Samsung Galaxy S24 series will be released after the Spring Festival in China. I think it will take about 10 days. This update will bring better cameras. One thing is noticing here, according to Ice Universe, this update will bring better cameras. He didn't talk about other issues like screen, battery, and performance issues. According to Ice Universe, the next version of Galaxy S24 series will solve the problem that the vivid screen mode is not vivid. Add the vividness option and you can adjust the vividness of the third gear by yourself. But now, it's officially confirmed that we are going to see fix for both camera and display issues. If you own any of the Galaxy S24 series device, keep an eye out. You can also share your experience with your new Galaxy S24 Ultra in the comment section. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.